Once upon a time, an elephant was exposed to a malicious hunting attempt. But despite its failure, it caused him wounds all over his body. He tried to go out to the highway that divides the forest, hoping to find help. But after several failed attempts, he decided to enter the forest again and die in peace. But quickly, his rescue came from the sky in the form of some explorers. As soon as they saw him, they moved towards him and began to bandage his wounds and talk to him gently. Then the elephant began to regain consciousness and stand up again, greeting them for their fatigue with him.